Hi there, mattphilleo in the studio, working on a completely different project than I've ever worked on before. As you can see right here, I have two ovals, and these are going to be paintings that'll go into bubble frames. I had a client that purchased some bubble frames, old-fashioned frames, probably from 100 years ago, and they have curved glass and curved images on the inside. And so they actually had a picture like this, several pictures like this inside, and you can see they actually are kind of convex. You look at the shape, kind of juts out a little bit, so it has a little three-dimensionality to it. And what I did is I put canvases on the top. I glued canvases on the top using some acrylic medium and then just flattened it out really well. So there's canvas on here to give it a good support. And then I sketched the images on here. So he wants paintings of his family. This picture right here, if you can see it in the upper corner, maybe you can see it just a little bit there, of a little girl who's playing in the pool. And then this image over here of a woman holding her child on some old weathered steps. And I think you can just barely see that in the upper left corner. Maybe if I move this down just a bit, you can see it more. But anyway, this is what I'll be working on, and I'm going to be painting these simultaneously. So it's going to be a little bit challenging. I mean, this is a Christmas commission here, and they have to get done in about a week. So we're going to see what happens here. I'll be praying a lot and really depending on the Lord's strength to help me get it done in the next week here. So working on them at the same time should make it go a little faster because the color scheme is actually similar in many ways. We've got blues here we can kind of repeat. So while I put a glaze over this section, I can then put a glaze on this section here and keep working back and forth. So that is the idea, and I'm going to invite you to watch over my shoulder here as I paint and just kind of explain the process as I go along. So anyway, enjoy these teaching videos here. God bless you, and if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and check out realisticacrylic.com for more tutorials that'll help you paint realistic portraits you can be proud of. And if you're watching this at the school, leave your comments. I sure enjoy reading them. And thank you so much for all your support and your encouragement. All right, God bless you. Enjoy the videos.